To order Uber Eats with a gift card, start by opening the Uber Eats app on your mobile device. If you do not have the app, download it from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once the app is open, tap on the profile icon located at the top left corner of the screen to access your account. Settings. Next, navigate to the payment section by tapping on the wallet icon. In the payment section, you will see an option to add a gift card. Tap on this option to add your gift card details. You will be prompted to enter the gift card code and the PIN associated with the card. Enter the details carefully and tap on Add to save the gift card to your account. After adding the gift card, you can proceed to order food from your favorite restaurant. Browse through the available options. Select the items you want to order, and tap on View Cart to review your order. On the checkout page, you will see the available payment methods, including the gift card you just added. Select the gift card as your payment method and confirm your order. It is essential to note that the gift card balance will be applied to your order. And if the order amount exceeds the gift card balance, you will be prompted to add another payment method to cover the remaining amount. You can also use multiple gift cards to pay for a single order, and any remaining balance on the gift card will be saved for future orders. To check the balance of your gift card, go back to the payment section and select the gift card you added. The current balance will be displayed, and you can also see the transaction history of the gift card. This way, you can keep track of your spending and ensure that you do not exceed the gift card balance. In addition to using gift cards, Uber Eats also offers other payment methods, including credit cards, debit cards, and digital wallets. You can add multiple payment methods to your account and select the preferred method for each order. This provides flexibility and convenience when ordering food through the app. By following these steps, you can easily order Uber Eats with a gift card and enjoy your favorite food from the comfort of your home. Remember to always check the gift card balance before placing an order and use multiple gift cards, if necessary, to cover the order amount.